Donald Trump's election win sends shockwaves through the stock market. Tesla surges. But what does it mean for clean energy? A historic moment, but will this affect the future of renewable energy? Meanwhile, Bitcoin smashes past $74,000, fueled by political endorsements from both Trump and Kamala Harris. Is this a game changer or just hype? In controversy, Kim Kardashian and Floyd Mayweather are back in legal trouble, while Jay-Z makes bold moves in tech startups. What does this mean for their financial legacies? Plus, record-breaking $15.90 billion election spending raises eyebrows. Is inflation the real winner here? The housing market remains chaotic. Falling mortgage rates spark hope, but will it make buying a home any easier? The market is in flux, and everyone's watching. Globally, U.S. China trade tensions heats up again. This is the week you can't afford to miss. Stay tuned. Every second of this video will leave you informed and inspired. Hello everyone, and welcome to the best finance channel in entire USA. Just kidding. Welcome to Finance Matters, your go-to destination for all things finance. It's Sunday morning. Hope you've grabbed your coffee and found a cozy spot because you're in for an insightful ride. From breaking stock market news to tech innovations and global controversies, we've got it all. And trust me, you won't want to miss a second of it. Are you ready to know what happened in USA when you were busy working this week? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Hit that bell so you stay ahead in the game, because if you skip, you might miss a lot of what's happening around you. Alright, without further ado, let's dive in and make sense of the world of money together. Let's shift our focus to the buzzing world of cryptocurrency, where massive moves are rewriting the game this week, from Bitcoin's record-breaking surge to bold investments. Here's what's shaking the crypto world. 1. Bitcoin surges above $93,000, breaking records again. Bitcoin has skyrocketed past $93,000, setting an all-time high. This surge is fueled by strong institutional backing and growing optimism over potential eased regulatory pressures under the new U.S. administration. It's a massive win for Bitcoin believers. 2. XRP rallies 75% to $1. Ripple's XRP is stealing the spotlight this week, with an incredible 75% jump, crossing the $1 mark. What's behind the rally? Speculation over SEC Chair Gary Gensler's possible resignation and Ripple's recent legal victories have sparked fresh hopes for a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment. 3. MicroStrategy buys 27,200 BTC. Michael Saylor is back in the headlines. His company MicroStrategy just acquired a staggering 27,200 Bitcoin, worth over $2 billion. This bold move reaffirms Saylor's unshakable belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential, and is a clear signal of institutional confidence in the crypto space. Let's dive into stock market, where major political shifts and industry-specific moves have created a roller coaster of highs and lows this week. Here's what caught everyone's attention. 1. Trump's election victory. Big political news sent ripples through the stock market. Following Donald Trump's re-election, stocks surged in sectors like traditional energy and tech. Tesla, notably, saw gains as markets speculate that Trump's presidency might favor its autonomy innovations, though the outlook for clean energy remains uncertain. 2. Supermicrocomputers plunge. Not every tech story had a happy ending. Server maker Supermicrocomputer faced a sharp stock drop this week after releasing disappointing preliminary earnings. Investors are keeping a close eye to see if they can rebound. 3. Trump media stock surge. It's not just politics influencing policy. Trump Media and Technology Group also saw a pre-market surge as Trump's return to the White House bolstered investors' confidence in his media ventures. Here are some stocks that absolutely crushed it this week. Bitcoin Digital Limited skyrocketed by 910.2%, benefiting from the renewed buzz around blockchain technologies. Agrify Corporation jumped 280.4%, riding the wave of strong performance in the cannabis sector. BTCS Inc. climbed by 238.5%, with blockchain companies broadly experiencing a surge in activity. But it wasn't all sunshine on Wall Street. Some stocks took a hard hit. Sao Good Inc. (SAUG) fell 58.7%, marking the steepest decline this week. Nuvectis Pharma Inc. (NVCT) dropped 4.8%, likely due to shifting market sentiment around pharmaceuticals. WellChange Holdings Company (WCT) and others like Kalidi Biotherapeutics Inc. (CLDI) and Optimizer X Corp. (OPRX) saw declines ranging from 33% 28% to 39% as a mix of weak earnings and bearish trends weighed them down. Company. Now, if we are talking about company, let's break down the top company earnings for the week. 1. Tesla. Tesla continues to impress with its strong Q3 2024 earnings report. The company posted earnings per share, EPS, of $0.72, beating analysts' expectations of $0.59. Despite market volatility, Tesla remains a key player in the tech and electric vehicle sectors, showcasing solid performance across its product lines. 2. Amazon. Amazon has proven its resilience in a shifting global economy with a robust Q3 2024 earnings report. The e-commerce and cloud services giant delivered $1.43 EPS, significantly outperforming the expected $1.14. Amazon's strong performance reflects its ability to thrive in both its retail and technology businesses, even amid economic uncertainty. 3. Apple. Apple's Q4 2024 earnings report came in lower than expected. The company posted $0.97 EPS, missing analysts' estimates of $1.60. This dip in earnings highlights challenges in hardware sales, particularly iPhones, and heightened competition in the tech industry. Apple will need to address these issues to maintain its market-leading position. Next, the most important U.S. economy news. 1. Inflation measures on the rise. Inflation remains a focal point as the personal consumption expenditures PCE price index rose by 0.2% in September. This increase signals persistent inflationary pressures, keeping the Federal Reserve under scrutiny as it considers future interest rate adjustments. For consumers, this means the cost of living could remain higher for longer, affecting household budgets. Up next, we have news related to the real estate and housing market. 1. Housing market outlook for 2024. Let's start with the big picture. Housing prices are expected to climb in 2024. The reason? Limited inventory is keeping the market competitive, even as mortgage rates trend downward. But here's the twist. Buyer demand hasn't picked up much yet. Experts believe younger buyers will continue to dominate the rental market, where demand remains strong. 2. Declining rent costs. Now for some relief, rent prices are expected to dip slightly in 2024, but don't get too excited yet. Renting is still more affordable than buying, especially for younger adults. With mortgage rates still high and home ownership remaining out of reach for many, renting continues to be the go-to option for those prioritizing affordability over equity. Alright, let's move on to the latest global economic stories making waves this week. From inflation woes to trade tensions, here's what you need to know. 1. U.S. inflation rises. Inflation in the U.S. climbed to 2.6% in October, putting the Federal Reserve in a tough spot as they debate how soon to cut interest rates. This decision isn't just about the U.S., it's influencing central banks worldwide. A lot is riding on their next move. 2. U.S. China trade relations. A familiar tension is back on the global stage. With President-elect Trump's plans to revamp tariffs and trade policies, U.S. China trade relations are heating up again. The ripple effect? It could shake up global markets in ways we haven't seen in years. 3. U.S. dockworkers strike. Imagine this. A 3-day dockworkers strike on the East and Gulf coasts casts the economy $5 billion each day. That's the reality we're facing, and it's not just about the money. This could also influence the narrative of the upcoming presidential election. 4. Italian economic reforms. Meanwhile, in Europe, Italy is making bold moves. The government is planning to tax companies benefiting from favorable business conditions. It's part of their 2025 budget aimed at balancing the economy amidst global uncertainties. 5. Japanese economy concerns. In Asia, Japan's economy is sounding alarm bells. A GDP contraction in Q3 of 2023, driven by declining exports to China and weak consumer spending, has economists worried about a potential recession, and if Japan sneezes, Asia's economy might just catch a cold. 6. Global inflation and holiday spending. Inflation isn't just a US problem. In Europe and the US, high prices are reshaping holiday shopping habits. Consumers are focusing on essentials, and Black Friday is shaping up to be a litmus test for retail trends this holiday season. Top personal finance news stories this week in employment growth concerns. Despite a streak of 46 consecutive months of job increases, the U.S. job market showed a significant slowdown in October, with only 12,000 jobs added, far below the average of 194,000. This underperformance, particularly in the manufacturing sector, raises concerns about the broader economy's health. While job growth remains steady, the slower pace might signal potential challenges for future economic growth. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have come down to the last segment of the video. I hope you have liked the video and subscribed. Not yet. Then what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button, otherwise I'm not telling y'all the news. Oh, pressed it. Here we go. The last category is Celebrity Related to Finance 1, Celebrity Lawsuits Over Cryptocurrency. Big names like Kim Kardashian and Floyd Mayweather are in hot water over their endorsements of crypto projects, such as Ethereum Max. These high-profile lawsuits raise a critical question. Should celebrities be held accountable for promoting financial products that lead to consumer losses? With the spotlight on these figures, the debate about responsibility and celebrity endorsements has never been more relevant. 2. Jay-Z's investments in tech startups. Jay-Z is more than a rap legend. He's also building an empire in the tech world. His strategic investments in health and wellness. Tech startups highlight how celebrities are diversifying their portfolios beyond entertainment. Jay-Z's moves show that investing in innovative industries can create long-term wealth, offering a blueprint for others looking to build a sustainable financial future. And that wraps up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It truly means a lot to me. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you'd like to see next. Your feedback is what helps me improve and bring you the content you love. And hey, if I've missed something or made a mistake, feel free to point it out. This is a journey, and I'm here to learn and grow with you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's just the beginning of an exciting adventure, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.